Hello and welcome to Bicombi. Today we'll show you how to fit your Fit Once cartridge on both the black plastic and brass Vaillant ecoTEC diverter valve with red electrical connector. In this kit you will receive our patented Bicombi blue tools to extract the old cartridge, our new Fit Once cartridge. If using the brass valve you will need the zip tie and clamp, the tool to insert this cartridge and a second tool to service it. First, ensure the boiler is in standby mode, whereby there is no demand for either hot water or central heating. Then, turn the power off to the boiler. Take out the red electrical connector, unscrew the retainer, and remove the motor. It's important to note how the motor is removed from the pin as shown here. If you're unsure as to how to drain down your boiler, check out our other video where we cover this. The link will be in the description. On older boilers, the isolation valves can get quite stiff and there's only a narrow section to insert a screwdriver. We suggest you use our isolation valve tool, available on our website. It gives a tight, effective fit to shut off the valve. Before we do anything here, place a cloth down underneath the valve in case of any residual water. Fit your clamp and tighten the attaching screw, drawing the lugs together on the cartridge, allowing you to extract it. Now, insert your locator and using a screwdriver, turn it counterclockwise to unlock the cartridge. Remove the clamp. Use the extractor to mate it to the pin and, with an Allen key as a handle, pull out the unlocked cartridge. After removal, clean inside the diverter valve. If you have the brass valve, then fit the clip, zip tie, and tighten as shown in the video. After removal, clean inside the diverter valve. Attach the installer to your Fit Once cartridge. Line the lug with the hole on the valve, as this is where the cartridge will lock in. Then, making sure the hole on the side is pointing to the left, push it in. Using your screwdriver till you hear an audible click. Give it a couple twists to check it's securely in place and remove your installer. Using the comparison graphic, double check the inside to see that the lugs on the top left and bottom right are fully located in. Correctly align the motor's opening to the pin as we demonstrated earlier. Check for proper engagement with a few gentle pulls. Hold it in position, attaching the retainer and cable. Refill your boiler and make sure the pressure reaches mid-range on the dial. Turn on the boiler and then turn your heating on briefly to purge the air, and then run your hot water. Purge any air collected in the radiators and top up the water pressure if necessary. Thanks for watching. For more help or any information about our products, go to www.bicombi.com.